Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to restore an old version of your site in Google Sites. So first visit sites.google.com, then open the website that you want to restore. And as you see here, this is my current website. And to restore an old version of it, simply click on these three dots and select version history. This new page opens up with the latest versions of your websites. If I go back all the way to this copy, of course you can check the copies like this. And here, if you see here from this copy, I have this this page called home. Here, this home page is visible. On this latest version, it is not visible. So with this copy, instead of home, it says new page. And as I go back to the old versions, I can see differences. For example, here this copy uses a top navigation menu, this black one, and here it uses this called hamburger type navigation menu. Now let's restore this website to this old version with the navigation on the side, not on the top. Simply select it like that, and here you can select between restoring the whole website to this version or simply restore this exact page and not the other pages. Of course, I will restore the site version. Follow these steps to restore your site to this version from today at this time. 1. Select the restore button. Yes. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site Basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Follow these steps to restore your site to this version from today at this time. 1. Select the restore button. Yes. Then review your draft site. Select the publish button to make it live. Okay, click on restore. Restored version to this date. Okay, as you see, the navigation is now on the side. And of course, don't forget to hit the publish button to see your current published version with the draft one on the left. And if you are satisfied with this restoration or site restoration, click on publish. Now let's view my website live. And as you see, now the website uses a navigation on the side, not on the top. And this is how to restore your website to an old version in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.